boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. To the gentleman that says, I don't understand that. Well, I thank you, Mark, for letting him know. It's a military thing, guys. Just call to action here. And I got some call to action here I want to tell you about here in a second. Hey, thank you for joining me on The Scoop. The Scoop's for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white, books on Amazon.com. You can go to Mickey D, D-E-E, and you can get all the books that you want. In fact, I'm going to show you one later. I want you to really take a look at that. One of our subscribers has sent me a picture of him, and he's got his, and he's prepared, and he's been around for a minute, and he's made a lot of money. But I love and appreciate my Scoop community. As you guys know, our goal here is to be debt-free and live in abundance. That's what we want to do, my friends. And it's not to don't hate, you celebrate. That's what we do. But we do know that Wall Street will take every dime in your account if you allow them to. So we're going to talk about not letting Wall Street take our money, especially here with BrightRock here in a second. My friends, if you didn't get an opportunity to take a look at the last video, the Robinhood Reddit traders that are young, hip, and they're huge, guys. They're going to be big in this thing. They have 5 uranium favorites. And I talked about those 5 uranium favorites. Yeah, quit crying. Just fast forward 5 minutes into the video if you don't want to hear what I have to say. You know, a bunch of whiners out there. Why are people whining nowadays? It's just I guess it's just a pastime here. I don't know. I'm going to take a look at this chart here in a second, guys. This is going to be pretty brief. This time last year, I believe I was at a football game or something this time last year. Football season is here in America, so things are going well here, my friends. But I think BrightRock has gone too far, too fast. Once again, guys, past performance is not indicative of future performance. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. You guys know the history behind BrightRock, right? I was over in Arizona. My mom was sick, and I thank all of you for your prayers and all. And I'll leave the videos up here when we first BrightRock and some of the information. This is one of our lithium plays, and everybody's been asking me, Mickey D, what are you going to follow up with Patriot Battery Metals? You know, it's done so well. You know, you look in the book and you'll see, you know, what is following Patriot, and because you have those stocks already on your watch list, and then you'll take them from there, and you already know, guys. But I'm going to tell you, it's not been an easy ride, guys. With these stocks, and I've been blessed, guys. I've had people, ladies and gentlemen, millionaires have been made with these baby knockouts. What are baby knockouts? If it's your first time joining us, baby knockouts are companies in these sectors. It could be beat down sectors. They could be up and coming sectors. These are the small microcap companies that we believe we have the ability. There's something special about them. They have the ability to take over and be number one in that area. And we've been very, very successful. Going back to the dot-coms, going back to AOL, going back to Cisco Systems. These are companies that are still around. Amazon at $4. These are companies that are still around today when I traded the dot-coms. So this is not my first rodeo, guys. This uranium play, we're right on time. There's nothing to be afraid about. The market is going to go up. The market's going to go down. Don't even worry about it. It's not a big thing, guys. So when it goes down, the 7th largest drop for the Dow here ever, you know, well, 1,200 points plus. Don't even, that stuff doesn't even faze us, guys, because we're in an area where long-term contracting in uranium and lithium, the offtake agreements are going to dictate what our stocks do. But with that said, my friends, we have gone too far, too fast with this particular lithium stock. Yeah, we got good information, got good intel there in Arizona. The Historical Society helped me out. The one of the libraries, got good information, good intelligence on this this particular mine here, and we've gone over it. I've gone over it. I've done videos on it, but we believe now that we've reached a point where it's time to take profits off the table a little bit. Take a little bit. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything. I'm not licensed to do that, guys. But you guys know I sell early. Guys got on me when Riot was going. We got Riot under $1. And when it went up to about $14, $15, $13, look at the videos. That's when I told you I'm starting to sell, guys. I'm starting to take a little bit off the table. And I keep it 100. I'm taking some off the table. I'm not greedy. The stock went up to $80. So a lot of that, you know, I didn't have my chunk in there making that money. A lot of you guys did. Like I said, we made millionaires, guys. And we've done that time and time again. I guess it's not considered luck when you do it year in and year out. And been blessed to do that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to sell early. I'm going to show you. I'm selling early. This is what I'm doing right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bright Rock Gold Corp. It was up today another 7%. It's at 43 cents USD. Guys, I know that many of you are up 50, 75, 100, 200, 300%. Guys, this is a stock that was given in the newsletter to my private students in April, when it was 12 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. There are videos out there. I'm going to leave some of these videos. All I'm saying is it's time sometimes to ring the register and get that and use those baby knockout money management principles, guys. You're in position right now to even sell half and go for a free ride. And just because I've taken some off the table, that doesn't mean you have to. Can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. But over the years, this is how I've made money in Wall Street, because Wall Street will give it and it'll take it away, guys. Let's take a look here. We're at 43 cents over here. You guys see me over here? 23 cents here. This is the 50-day moving average. You guys see that? Way down here is the 200-day moving average. Guys, even though we're showing signs of going up even higher than we are now, let's be real. This is Wall Street. We're in a bear market in the market itself, the general market. Although our stocks will show tendencies to go up. Guys, when I traded these stocks, I'm talking about uranium, and we were in the market was not a great market. From 2004, beginning of 2004, beginning to 2007, like the middle or so, 2007 or so, the market only went up roughly 30%. We went up maybe 6.8% or so each one of those years. Now, that was the overall market, but the uranium stocks went ballistic. And this time it'll be uranium and lithium stocks going ballistic. This is one of those times. I can't, tell you how much I believe that we've gone too far, a little too fast with Bright Rock. Once again, guys, if it's not going to hurt you, if this thing goes to zero, then you hang in there. But I'm telling you right now, myself, being up over 300% or so on this little thing, I'll take some off the table, and that's what I've done with Bright Rock Gold, guys. So that's my message to you, is to take a little bit off the table if it's not going to kill you. Because Wall Street giveth, and Wall Street will taketh away. Told you I was at a ball game this time last year. Can you see me there? Masked up and everything. I was watching the Raiders. Scoop Team Private Student Reggie Caldwell. U.S. Air Force Civil Engineers shirt hat on there. What is he holding? He's holding lithium penny stocks, low risk, high reward investing. Great investor, also a patriot, a Air Force hero, guys. When you see anybody in the military, say hi to them. Shout out to all those men and women overseas, on duty in uniform, doing your thing right now. Get a copy of Lithium Penny Stocks, and it has 10 lithium penny stocks in there, guys. One could be the next Patriot Battery Metals. Who knows? It could be the next stock. We do very, very good research. Like I said, we've been doing this, guys, since the .coms, and a lot of our stocks really, really hit. Anybody that's ever been part of our trades, you know that. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Once again, I'll leave some links for you. If you're not a subscriber, guys, you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what we're doing, if you like getting in early, I started this thing, guys, with $500 is what I started with years ago. And I started with the .coms and just worked my way up in these different little areas right now. Resources are hot. We've got a commodities bull market that's going to be like none other we've seen before, especially with lithium and with uranium. Those are two areas where we have these baby knockouts, guys, and this is going to be a nice run. But the message today is bright rock, guys. When you're up 100, 200, 300%, it's not a bad idea to take a little bit off the table and just go for the free ride, guys. You can cut it in half now and go for a free ride if you like. But if not, hang in there, because just like Riot, I started cutting out at $13 and $14, and it went up to $80. That's happened time and time again in my career, guys. I'm not greedy. I get in and I get out. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.